Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start with your old Android and connect it to a strong Wi-Fi network. Sign into the Google account that stores your backup and confirm account sync. Open Settings, choose System, then Backup and check the date and size. Enable apps, call Logs, Contacts, Device Settings, Photos, and SMS in backup options. Plug in the phone to a charger and run a manual backup now. Note the backup size in gigabytes and available Google Drive storage. If backup is older than 7 days, run backups for photos and app data manually. Power on your new Android and choose Language, Wi-Fi, and Initial Preferences. When prompted, connect to the same Wi-Fi network used by your old phone. Sign in with the same Google account and accept terms to access backups. Choose Restore from Google Backup and select the latest backup by date and size. You can also transfer directly using cable or QR code for faster large transfers. Keep both phones connected to power and Wi-Fi until Restore completes completely. Expect app reinstall and media syncing to take anywhere from 10 to 80 minutes. After Restore finishes, open Settings and review accounts, app permissions, and preferences. Check that contacts, SMS, photos, and app data match your old phone exactly. Sign into apps that require two-step verification or separate passwords manually. Confirm devices like Wear OS watches or Bluetooth accessories reconnect properly after Restore. If something is missing, install missing apps, then open their in-app restore options. Finally, run a full device backup to Google Drive to capture the new state safely. Wipe the old phone and remove account only after you verify successful transfer completely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.